Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget for your education abroad with Charles Schwab detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to budget for your education abroad is crucial for a successful experience. Start by determining the total cost of your education. This includes tuition fees, accommodation, travel, and daily living expenses. Research your chosen country and university to gather accurate information. Next, create a detailed list of all potential expenses. Include both fixed costs, like tuition, and variable costs, such as food and entertainment. Once you have a comprehensive list, estimate the costs for each category. Consider using online cost calculators for assistance. After estimating your expenses, assess your available financial resources. Identify any scholarships, grants, or financial aid opportunities. Also, look into personal savings, family contributions, and part-time job options abroad. Next, create a budget by comparing your estimated expenses to your available resources. Utilize budgeting tools or apps to streamline this process. Adjust your budget to ensure your expenses do not exceed your income. If necessary, find ways to reduce costs, such as choosing more affordable housing. After finalizing your budget, open a Charles Schwab account for easy international banking. This will help you manage your funds while studying abroad. Take advantage of the account's no foreign transaction fees and global ATM access. Once your account is set up, transfer necessary funds for your initial expenses. As you start your education abroad, keep track of all your spending. Regularly review your budget to stay on target and make adjustments when needed. This will help you maintain financial stability throughout your studies. Lastly, plan for unexpected expenses by setting aside an emergency fund. This will provide peace of mind and allow you to focus on your education. By following these steps, you can effectively budget for your education abroad with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.